Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. As committed, today we are going to again record the live trading video, and this time it's going to be upstock. And friends, one more thing which I want to say is we are trading from almost 1 week. I'm sending you all the live trading videos from 1 week. And for people who are taking calls, there is no stop loss. I can't help it. It is all profits daily. So it is not a magic or it is not a wonder. It is, we should say that it's God's grace that we are all in profit, and almost from 1 week we are booking profit. In fact, when I showed you these previous trade records also, you can see there were times when there were continuous targets, continuous profits, and overall month we made 54,000 out of investment of 62,000. It was hard for many of them to believe, and then you can see from the time we recorded last week, and we already made 24,000 in 1 week. So friends, you can say it luck. Today also was a big profit, almost close to 15,000 rupees profit we made, and many could not book 15,000. So many booked at 5,000, many booked at 10,000, 15,000 also, and I'm happy for all of them. But I just want to convey the strategy is very powerful. It's very easy. It's hedging, and trade will be taken on both the sides. This is a report of September. October report I'll be compiling very soon. If you want to just check this September file, you can take it from me. But today I'll show you the live trading. You can see that from past 1 week I have recorded all the videos, and I uploaded all the videos, live trading video, and today also I'm recording the live trading video and updating you. And the overall profit is around 24,000. It's an investment of 50 to 60,000, and friends, it's just 1 week result. And as I showed you, the Excel profit and loss is part of trading, and it is a pure God's grace that we are all in very good profits. But one thing which I want to say is the strategy is very powerful, very good for working professionals, because we have sufficient time to place the entry. It's a breakout entry, and there will be lots of time for placing the entry. And any support, any assistance, I'm always sharing it to you. My WhatsApp number is 8095876525. So any working people who are finding it difficult to trade when they are working, and if you're finding it difficult to execute trades, just you can take these calls, or you can learn the strategy if you want to implement it lifetime, or if you want any support assistance, you can always WhatsApp on my number. Okay, so let us go to today's live trading video. And today the stock was Adani Ports, and we had selected 320 puts and 330 call. Yeah, so this is the stock, and I had updated in the group at around 9:29, because before 9:30 we usually be ready for the trade. So I'm updating same in the WhatsApp group. So this group is a broadcast group for people who wants to take the trade. And today I'm doing in upstock as I had promised yesterday, as I had committed yesterday. So this is the update for today at Adani Ports, 320 puts. Let us just execute the trade as well. So friends, I'll show you generally what happens is when you place a simple order, it won't accept. This is a problem with upstock. That is why I decided to record today's video. So I'll just show you. So it is getting rejected in the simple order method. Okay, so I'll show you what exactly has to be done. But before that, let me just finish off giving the call, because it's already 9:30. My alarm has gone. So buy puts at 7.3 rupees. And always remember to keep a buffer. Okay, you can keep around 10-20 paisa buffer, so that even if there's any jump or anything, you will get the trade. Yeah, so buy puts at 7, and then let us see the call price. Call is also having good volume. Okay, so buy call at 5 let me just reconfirm. Yes, buy call at 5.2. so these are the level for today. Okay, so you can see the reason for rejection is that only OCO or CO orders are allowed in upstock. So this is the reason for rejection. So we will place an OCO order. I'll show you how to place an OCO order. Okay, how much has to be the target and stop loss. Since it's an hedging strategy, we don't keep stop loss and target, but how do we place in this is what we have to show. Don't select limit, select stop loss limit and OCO order. And then once this is done, we have to keep the trigger price, the price of what I have given. I keep getting calls, I have to cut the call. Yeah, so keep the trigger price. Trigger price is the price what I give. So you can see the trigger price here, and trigger price is 7, and keep a small buffer. Since the stock is a big stock, the movement is big, let us keep 7.5. Yeah, here comes the trick, target and the stop loss. As I told you, we are doing hedging and we're not keeping any stop losses and targets, but this is an OC order where we have to compulsorily keep target as well as stop loss. That is why I kept an anonymous figure of 100. So till it's impossible to hit 100, so it keeps moving. So you can see that is why I kept target 100, and stop loss I kept 5, because you can see the entry price is 5, so it won't go less than 5. That is why I have kept stop loss as 5. So this is a random figure. Target you can keep a very big number so that target is not hit, and stop loss you can keep close to 0 because it can't go less than 0. So you can see I have kept the target and stop loss, and now you can see it is trigger pending. Fine. So my puts order is kept, and let me keep my call order also. Since it's hedging, we are keeping both the trades, and we are keeping an advance order. It's not market order, so there will be sufficient time. Both trigger will be pending itself. Okay, so as you saw, target is 100 and stop loss is 5, and you can see that yes, both the triggers are pending, friends. So this is the beauty, and both orders are pending at around 9:30, and once this is done, if you're a working person, you can just carry on with the trades. If any updates is there, I'll be updating you on the WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can wait till end of the day and take your profits. Yeah, so just to update you, yeah. So you can see that the stock option has gone up till high. You can see the high price down here. It has gone up to 13.90, and only the put has been triggered. The call has not been triggered. And friends, this is the beauty of hedging. Only one gets triggered most of the time. And 13.9 means almost profit had gone to 15,000 rupees. But we are not able to book. We were waiting. So you can see that as of now, the profit is around 11,125, which is also fair enough. Not a good deal with an investment of 50,000, 50 60,000. You're making a return of 11,000 rupees is fair enough, good enough. So then I had immediately posted in the group also to book the profits and also to keep trailing your stop losses. So there are many who booked at 15,000. There are many who booked at 5,000, 6,000 also out of fear. And this is how the strategy is, friends. Very simple. As you saw me placing the trade, nothing much to be done. The call will be given at around 9:30. Just have to place the order and leave it. In case if any problem is there, I'll just update in the group to book your profits. And basically it's a hedging strategy, so we are not keeping any target and stop losses. So previously I was showing you with Zerodha, and many were requesting me to show in Upstock because Upstock is quite different. We have to place in a different method. So that is why today I showed you with Upstock also. Those who are following my Upstock, most of my subscribers are Upstock. So if you want to follow Upstock, this is what you do. Okay friends, so hope your doubts are cleared, and we had a very good trading. And friends, tomorrow is expiry, so I would suggest to stay away. But if you risk traders also can trade. Anyways, I'll be giving the call. But people who have taken the strategies can stay away, because generally what happens, the next month contract volume will be very less, the volatility will be very less. So it's generally recommended to stay away on the last day of expiry, because we are doing the buying of options. On expiry day, you can always follow my Bank Nifty expiry strategy. So Bank Nifty, we will be selling the OTM options. So you can do that, execute that tomorrow. It's already available on my YouTube strategy. It's available on YouTube. So what you can do is you can follow Bank Nifty expiry over. Anyways, we will be giving calls also in stocks. You can follow if you want to take the risk. Okay friends, any other doubts, any confusion, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525, and please do share it to your friends who are in need of a good strategy and who need support and assistance. And in case any doubts, if you want the Excel file, previous data, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And once again, thank you and have a nice day.